If Google reviews are, one of the ways that for many years, people distinguish themselves both in terms of the quantity of Google reviews as well as the star averages. The number of companies that have a volume of 4.5 or better star ratings is just massive, right? And so that alone is becoming more and more difficult as a standalone way to separate yourself out and differentiate yourself. So what we're asking in this discussion is, if you really want to be truly differentiated, like really be viewed as that cream of the crop, that real unique kind of company, what do you have to do? We have lots of data over the years of landing page performance, right? So when we get traffic to land on a page like this one that is intended to convert someone to a lead, that the presence of basic trust symbols, even in the situation where we assume that most homeowners do not know what any of these things necessarily mean, right? They have some feeling about it. They result in improved conversion, right? So the same page without those trust symbols will not do as well as the same page that with it.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.